Hi, GT here in the famous GT How to Make kitchen. Today we're going to steam some fruit and we're going to use the Mueller built-in steamer, but if you don't have one of those you can also use the steamer set from your cooking set or bamboo baskets or even the famous George Foreman steamer. Now yes, you might say, why would we steam some fruit? Like GT, you may have an excess of fruit. Like each week I get an organic fruit and veggie box, and if I end up with a surplus because there's just me and I can't eat enough. So by steaming them, I preserve them for the short term because I can keep them in the fridge, and it gives me a nice healthy dessert. And I also have them on breakfast, so you can add yogurt, makes it nice and healthy, or if you're going to be wicked, a little bit of cream. So today we're going to do Nashi pears and apples. Now you can also do this with normal pears, or if you've got some soft fruit like peaches or nectarines or apricots, they're also ideal for this. Now with pears, apples and Nashi fruit, you might want to peel them if you're feeling fancy. But you'll see here the Nashi pears are quite small and so are the apples, and so to peel them is quite a fussy job. And there's still plenty of nutrition and vitamins in that, in the peeling of the fruit and the peel of the fruit, and I find it quite suitable to eat. So the next step is we're going to cut up the fruit and then we're going to put them in the steamer. So here we go. Now you can see cut up all the Nashi pear and apple and it's all ready to go. So even pieces, and important here, no added sugar. So part of the point of this is to make sure that we're controlling what we're putting in our mouth for healthy eating. So there's plenty of sweetness in this fruit. You shouldn't need any sugar, and that's one way to move towards healthy eating. So in the steamer we're going to go. Right, we're over at the steamer. We're going to put the apples and Nashi pear in. Shut the door. Going to select steam at 100 degrees, and we're going to steam them for 15 minutes. Okay, and way the steamer goes, we will visit back to the steamer in about 15 minutes. See you then. Right, the steam is finished after 15 minutes. We'll remove the fruit. Now always with these steamers, just remember to burp it, that is, just let a bit of steam out before you open it all the way, because there is a possibility you can burn it. So here's the fruit, looking pretty good. Just take it over to the bench. Right, here we are, the fruit's nicely cooked. You can see if we poke it with a spoon, it's quite soft, all ready to go. And the Nashi pear is actually a bit crunchier than the apple, but that's probably the best way for it to be. We'll just put it in the bowl, ready to eat. Right, you can see the fruit there is ready to go, and there's a nice healthy dessert for you. Of course, we've got to do the taste test. A little warm, so we'll take it easy here. Sweet, beautiful and soft. Thumbs up from GT. So there you have it. I hope this helped those of you who've got a steamer, which is a powerful piece of cooking equipment. It shows you another way to utilise it. It also helps you with maintaining a healthy and delicious diet. And I look forward to seeing you in the next GT How to Make handy video. Click like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next GT How to Make handy video. Ciao! Right, here we are. The fruit's nicely cooked. You can see if we poke it with a spoon, it's quite soft. All ready to go. And the Nashi pear is actually a bit crunchier than the apple, but that's probably the best way for it to be. We'll just put it in the bowl, ready to eat.